Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create infinite carousel loop effect in Wix Studio. So if you don't know what is a carousel effect, so it is basically a rotating slider or slideshow. It automatically or manually shows different content like images, testimonials, or product cards. Think of it like a rotating banner. Each slide moves in and out in a loop. And when we say infinite cursor, we mean the slides keeps going forever in a smooth loop, no stopping at the end. Now, in order to do that, what you have to do is just simply come over this Wix Studio. If you are in the Wix Editor, so Wix Studio and Wix Editor is a different. So if your website is in Wix Studio, you don't need to worry about it. Just simply come over here and choose your site from here. Now, uh, come over on Wix Studio, sign up with your Google account, and then open your website. As you can see, I have already did it. Now what I will do, I will create a section. Just simply click on the edit side, and I will create a section after this text. Now I have already created a tutorial how you can animate this text effect. If you want to learn that, you can go and learn that in that video. Now what you can do is just simply click on the add elements, or you can access your elements in the top left corner as well. Just simply click on it, and from here I will choose image. Go into section, text person, media. There we go. There we have a single image. So what I will do, I will just simply add some images. I think this is a pro gallery. This is a single image. If you want to upload your own images, you can add that too. For this tutorial, what I will do, I will just simply drag this. No, this okay, this one is looks good. Now just simply click on it, and as you can see here, just reposition it. Now what you can do, you can add different pictures as well. For example, this one or this one. You can add the both images over here. Now you can resize it, pull it over here, and you can resize again this image. Now what you have to, in order to create a loop effect, for example, just simply select all and click on the group, or you can do is just simply click on the grouping, click on group, so it will make a group of the images. Now click on it. Now after clicking on this group section over here, so from here what you can do is just simply select this group. So instead of grouping them, what you have to do is just simply click on the stack. It will make a stack over here. Now you can move anywhere if you want, like just move this stack. Okay, I had not selected this picture. So what I will do, I will just simply select these pictures with like this, click on the stack, and we have created a stack. So if your image is moving with each other, so it means you have created a stack. So yeah, now in the right side you can customize your images over here, like corner, border, and a lot of things. You can come over here and you can see that. Now click on this animation and effect over here. Now you will get to see this entrance effect, hover effect, click effect, scroll effect, loop effect, and mouse effect. So we have to give a loop. Just simply click on add loop. Now over here you have to choose your loop image. So I have to choose this one. I think this flips. So this is a cursor, this is a crosser. As you can see here, I have to add a lot of images to give the animation like that. Now if you want to, for example, Let's add more images into it. Like, let's add more images so we can create a perfect carousel effect till infinite. Now you can upload your own images. Okay, there are lots of images. Click on the media. In the left side you will get to see the media. You don't need to go and search element. You can collect images from here as well. So I will insert over here. Now reposition this image into your section and click on this, select all of these images, click on the stack, and it will create a stack. Now move images, it's good. Now click on the loop and just simply add a loop over here and then give a crosshair animation. Now as you can see here, we have successfully added this loop effect into our website. Now if you want to adjust this animation, just simply click on this adjust animation. You can decide direction as well, from where to where it will move, from top to from bottom to from left. You can decide by yourself. Now if you want to give a duration, you can give that too. For example, duration will be 16 seconds. It depends on you. Now repeat delays, if you want, simply click on the preview. So this is for 8 photos, I guess. Let's decrease this. Let's see. This is a quite interesting. You can add images, whatever you want you can add over here, and let's preview how it looks like. Just click over here. Let's see how it looks. So I guess this is good. So the overall website is great, I think. Yeah, this is how you can create a cross-sell infinite loop. But if you want like a more in a more sophisticated way, you can visit L site. I have already created a tutorial how you can add logos into your Wix. Just go and search and the video will appear in front of you. If you want more in a good quality, this is a Wix don't provide lot of option over here, but in elf site provide lot of things. Just go and watch that tutorial and you will get the answer. So yeah, that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe to the channel, and yeah, thanks for watching.